How to add or remove a credit or debit card on Klarna. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Klarna. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, move into Purchase at the bottom of the screen, and then move into any of the payment due that you have to pay further. Once you have moved into it, head over to More at the bottom right corner. In here, if you have added any of the debit or credit card, then it will be shown to you. If you want to remove it, all you gotta do is click on it. There you'll see the option of remove. Click on it, and then the debit or credit card will be removed. But if you want to add, then click on pay with another card. Simply choose debit or credit card. Enter the detailed information of the card, and then it will be added. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.